Hey guys, Adner here with Eden Valley Farm. Today I want to share with you everything about strawberries. We've filmed a video on when we were planting it, when the wind was blowing everything away. But today I just want to give you full details, full information on the strawberries that you can repeat this same idea, this same patch in your homestead, in your garden, in your farm, wherever you are actually doing it. One of the things that strawberries is very helpful, and it's just a very good crop to grow. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits that strawberry brings and the reason we select strawberries here. First, it grows very well in the area, and in general, strawberries grow very well throughout the nation and in many countries as well. And strawberries is something that people like, they love, so it sells very well, it sells in high value, and it sells for a good price. So those characteristics make this crop one of the things that if you're looking for a specific crop that you want to grow, this will be it. Now, one of the things, as you can see, is obvious. This is the ground cover that we put here. They have a drip tape underneath this. So that way there's not much weeds at all. I mean, we're already weeding this, and we just come here and basically the weeds that come right in this little hole where the plants are, that's the only weeds we pull. There are no weeds on the walkway or anywhere else, and this helps us really tremendously. So these 12,000 plants of strawberries that we have here on about 3/4 of an acre, then you can actually maintain it yourself. Like one person can maintain the whole thing. Now it's a full-time job, of course, but basically if you have a family, you can maintain this. You know, you come here in the evening, in the mornings, put 2-3 hours on it, and this is a patch that you can have very, very well. Sell at the farmer's market, sell it to grocery store, to restaurants, put a farm stand, put a U-pick. There are multiple ways to sell strawberries because it's something that kids like, adults, all of us love strawberries. And in general, strawberries is pretty easy to grow as well. Now, when it comes to feeding the strawberries, fertilizing the strawberries, we use a program that is called Advancing Eco Agriculture. They're a company that supply fertilizer for us. And this is where we buy the fertilizer, and they send us the amount of fertilizers and everything, the mix, how we need to do it, and it's all organic. So these strawberries are organic. We're not certified. We're not gonna go really through that hassle, but everything we do here in this farm is very sustainable. The fertilizer are organic. Now, to plant the strawberries, right here is the tool that we use, and we show you in another video, but basically it's just an iron about maybe 1/4 of an inch, and basically you bend it, make that little hook just like that, and then with the root, basically you grab it and just stick it right in. These strawberries, the varieties are called San Andreas, and this in particular variety are day neutral variety, meaning they produce throughout the year, and it produced better even than the everbearing. It's a similar variety, but day neutrals, you can plant them the first year and harvest year one right away. So this is the one we use. Of course, you need cold weather for that. They don't grow throughout the states, but in most states in the South, these grow as well. I have a friend that is growing these same varieties and is doing really, really well. So I just want to give you some details about the strawberries, growing them, so that way you can actually create something like this, like we're doing here at Eden Valley, and perhaps you can create a side income or, you know, sustain yourself in your homestead, because strawberries, it's something that you can actually make a good income. Of course, we have garlic right behind me here as well, and asparagus. Those are big crops as well that later on I'll do a videos on in full details on how to do that. But just wanted to share this. If you have any question, click the link below, subscribe, and we'll keep posting updates. I'll do my best to respond as well, your questions. And if you actually would like to talk to me, there's a link in the description below and a course and everything. So thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.